ride with us? Ride with us. Oh yeah. Do you wanna ride with us? Ride with us. Oh yeah. Do you wanna ride?
Hey, what's up everybody out in the YouTube world? It's me, Greg from Flying Wheels. You'll see my boy Lo right there sneezing. Behind me is the new Chevy Blazer, 2019 Chevy Blazer RS. You guys might have heard the rumors of the Trailblazer or Blazer SS resurfacing all over the internet. It looks like a Camaro SS, but it's a Blazer. Those rumors are false. They are not making one. Actually, this Blazer isn't even on a truck platform. It's a crossover version, which is basically on a car platform. All-wheel drive. It comes in a 4-cylinder turbo V6. So this is here, right here. Let's go check it out. It would be their sport version. It does come in a 6-cylinder, but it is on a car platform, or what they call a crossover platform. It's not shared with any of the other Chevy vehicle platforms, the car platforms. It is shared with a Cadillac and Buick drivetrain. But typically we'll see a car on like a Chevy Cruze platform, or the Honda CR-V is on a Civic platform. This is unlike any others. They are bringing that iconic Blazer badging back, but on a completely different vehicle. It is non-truck at all-wheel drive, no four-wheel drive. Does come with 20-inch wheels, nice black touch around the trim, full leather interior with red stitching. We'll see the whole infotainment with the Uconnect. It's very car-ish from the outside and the inside. Does have a little bit more space and a little bit more height than a car, but it still kind of has that car feel sitting into it, stepping into it. No third row. This vehicle is one size larger than the Equinox, but one size smaller than the Chevy Traverse. Very sporty walking around it. Again, it does come in all-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive. Backup camera, dual exhaust, 20-inch wheels, black trim everywhere. The car is amazing, but it is a car. It is not the Blazer that we're used to. I think they just like to use the name, but didn't place it on the same vehicle. They just gave us a car with a nice, cool Blazer name. So engine size, they're still using the 3.6-liter VVTi that they've had in the Cadillac CTSs, the Traverses, the Acadias. Same 3.6-liter, 305 horsepower. But as a mechanic, I know this vehicle is an absolute dog to work on. It's a nightmare. Every time it comes in over 100,000 miles, it's trouble. It used to have timing chain issues. I don't know if they've corrected that timing chain problem. 3.6-liter, 4,500 towing capacity versus the Acadia, which is a 5,000-pound towing capacity. How much on price, though? I was mistaken. I'm still learning as we go. Every vehicle we come across, we're learning more as we look at them. This one comes with 21-inch wheels, not 20-inch wheels. Panoramic sunroof, 5-passenger seating with RS Sport package, which is a different suspension, different leather interior, different trim all around the exterior of the vehicle. This vehicle has an MSRP of $47,000 versus the base is $28,028, being cloth interior, front-wheel drive. This is an all-wheel drive setup with the bigger wheels in the Sport package. It's actually more money than the Limited, which has more options, but it excludes the RS package on it. Hey, so to close out those rumors, the new Camaro SS SUV or the new Blazer SS SUV is non-existent. It's not a real thing. Those rumors all over the internet and the pictures are not true. This is as good as it gets for the Blazer. It's a car, an all-wheel drive and a 6-cylinder engine, RS package. So you buy an RS Camaro that's lifted in like an SUV, if that's what you're thinking. But no, they don't have that Camaro SS SUV and at all. Also, if this video is at all entertaining, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for more notifications. I'll see you on the next car.